It's maybe a little overwhelming how much goes into these tests. They take weeks to prepare for a test, and then it all happens in an instant. This is what we call a side oblique pull test. So the vehicle's at a slight angle and is dragged into a large metal pole, basically to represent as if a vehicle was to enter a skid and strike a utility pole, for instance, at moderate speed, 20 miles an hour. So we're making sure that the struck side doors, the driver door, remains latched and closed, as well as the rear door, and that there's no fuel leakage present below the vehicle. We can also see that the restraints are deploying as they should be. So we should be seeing a curtain airbag deploying, side airbags.
The focus has become more on than just the driver and the passenger. We've taken an additional focus with some of the smaller occupants that normally sit in the rear like children.
A special new addition to the 2025 Murano is the addition of the rear seat reinforcement. This additional support focuses on improving the rear occupant safety, especially in the new IIHS Moderate Overlap 2.0.
The biggest eye catcher that we look at is to make sure that the airbags deploy on time. They make proper contact with the dummies to make sure that they're in the ideal position to reduce injury. Rear passenger evaluations often involve analyzing the ability of the seatbelt and the curtain airbag to keep the occupant secure within the vehicle, while also minimizing the risk of injury during the overall crash event. So the Murano is shown to have good structure performance, and that means that we're able to balance maintaining the integrity of the occupant compartment with the ability to achieve enough energy absorption throughout the overall crash event.
I'm just very proud of the work that we've done and the success that we've had so far and how everybody's pulled together. And as a company, I know that I trust the vehicles that I designed to put my family in, to put my friends in. And I know that every day they don't have to worry about safety because I do. And that's a very rewarding feeling.